guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple traffic light. Okay, let's go to the video. So the first is we need an Arduino. Okay, Arduino. After that, we need also breadboard. Okay, this is the small breadboard, and we also need 3 LED lamp. Green. The traffic light has 3 colors, right? Green, orange, and red. So we need to do that same thing too. This is green. This is the orange one, and this is the red one. Okay, the next step is we connect this VDN to the negative of the breadboard. Okay, and then we connect the cathode of the LED to the negative of the breadboard. Okay, after that we need 3 resistors. Okay, the resistor we set is 220, and see this one. Okay, we put it in there, and then I copy this and then paste them. Okay. After that, we connect these 2 of the Arduino to the resistor. The first resistor, and the third to the second resistor. Resistor, this one, to the third resistor. Okay, after that we connect the anode of the LED to this one. Red. Okay, this already, and now the code we delete this. After you delete it, we put this pin mode. Okay, spin mode. After that we this 4. After 4 we type out put, then we close it, then put this, and then slash, and we click this is for the green LED. Okay, and then we just copy this, and then paste it, but in here we change the number 4 into 3, and then the green LED to the orange. Okay, after that paste again in here, the 4 we change into 2, and the green already we change in red LED. Okay, after that we use this mark there, and then we type void loop, and then open, close, and then we type this, that. Okay, after that we type digital right, and then we open, and then type 4, and then comma, then we type hide. Remember, the capital letter is very important. If you miss just one capital letter, so it didn't work. Okay, make sure the capital letter is already right. Turn on green LED. After that we type delay, and then open, and then type 3000, and then close. After that we type this symbol, and then slash, and then we type wait for 3 seconds. Okay, after that we copy this the digital until the end, this, but not the delay one. After that we paste in this line, and then this high we change into low. After that the on we turn it into off. Okay, after that we paste it again, but this is the third one, because this is for the orange. We type this not green but But we type orange. After that, same like this one, the green one, we copy this, just the delay one, and then paste it in here. Okay, and then the 3000 instead of 3000, 1000, and then the 3 second we delete it and put number 1. After that we copy this, the digital one, and paste it in here, and then we change it into low, and we type here off. Okay, now we type the red one. With this we change into 2 because this is for red one. We type red. Okay, after that we copy the delay again. I think this we should copy the orange, the green. Yeah, after that this is already good because red needs 3 seconds too, like the green one. And then we copy the digital one again. Okay, and then instead of 4 we change it into 2. Then instead of high we type it low, and then the green we delete it, and then red. Okay, after that we type this symbol. Okay, and then it's done. Okay, finally it's done, and now we're trying to start the simulation. Yay! It's worked! Sorry guys, I mistaken in here. The anode of the LED should be in here, up of the resistor, not here. I forgot it guys, I'm sorry. And then the code is just same because nothing is wrong with the code. And then let's try it. Yeah, it's worked right. 1 second, the red is 3 seconds. Green is 3 seconds. 1 second, 3 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right guys, it's just like this code. 3 seconds, 1 second, 3 seconds. Okay, you can try this at home. This is a little bit hard, but you can try it at your home. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.